Hey YouTube, it's Inside Tech, and today we're going to take a look at the Windows 8 Pro upgrade unboxing. So this is your basic box, as you can see, and let's check it out. Nice windows, huh? Alright, let's get inside this box. Got your license key over here, which is only good for one computer. Got your little welcome paper here. Doesn't say much. Just tells you if it's for a tablet or for its Windows, what to do. You got a CD for 32-bit. And you got a CD for Windows 8 64-bit. Same thing, pretty simple. And that's it. That's how simple that box is. There's really no instructions. There is a little warning at the bottom here. Gotta have a 1 GHz processor, 2 GB RAM, 20 GB hard space, and a screen resolution of 1366 by 768. DirectX 9 graphics. Blah blah blah. That's pretty much it. And describes a little bit on the back. And that's it. That's for Windows 8 Pro upgrade kit.